everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here talking about the iPow volume cable selfie pod. So what this is, instead of Bluetooth pairing, this allows you to have a volume cable. So you put this into the volume input in your phone, and then it allows you to take selfies. So this would be nice instead of, if your phone doesn't have Bluetooth or you don't want to go through the trouble of Bluetooth pairing, you just pop this in and then you can take selfies. So this is really cool because it has, of course, the telescoping lens or the telescoping stick, so you can get further away and take bigger selfies. And it's nice because it's compact. You can throw it into a purse, a backpack, anything like that, and get the pictures that you want. So once again, this is available on Amazon. It is iPow. Go check it out. Get the entire review on my website, nonperfectparenting.com. It is an awesome website. Go there for all of my reviews and giveaways. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.